Alright guys, so in the previous tutorial we have gone through the introduction and the references, and in this tutorial we will start installing the Langchain packages and create a simple chatbot using the DeepSeek chat model. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. But before that, I just have one request for you guys. So please go to my channel, youtube.com/@codeexpert, and please subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you join the Discord channels so that I will be able to get in touch with you personally, and it will motivate me to create some more awesome tutorial series for you in the future as well. So without further ado, let's get started. And we created this Colab notebook in the previous tutorial, so let's install some packages using pip installer. So I'm going to install Langchain_OpenAI because DeepSeek actually uses this OpenAI package and it is compatible with it. So we are going to use OpenAI as well, as the official documentation of the DeepSeek says. Alright. After that, we will also need Langchain_community and Langchain_core. Alright, so these are the packages we are going to install, and I'm just going to click on the run here and it will start installing all of the dependencies. Alright, so the packages have been downloaded successfully, and you can just click on the code over here to create a new code block. And now, since we have installed all of these packages, we are going to import one of those by typing from Langchain_OpenAI import chat OpenAI. Alright, and we will have declared LLM is equal to chat OpenAI, and over here you will have model is equal to DeepSeek-chat. Alright, and we will also have OpenAI_API_key, and here we will add our own API key that we have set into the previous tutorial. So I'm not going to show you my API key because it is private, and you should also not show the API key to anybody else. Alright, so for that I'm going to create a new variable called my_API_key, and here I'm going to paste my API key and run this block and make it invisible like this, and add this variable over here. Alright, and after that there's one more thing that we need to do, which is OpenAI API_base, and here we just need deepseek.com, and that's it. Alright, so let me just get my API key and run this block. So I have added the API key in my block and run over it, and now the variable set is set, and we can go forward. Alright, so don't worry if you don't understand what is going on. I will just tell you in a moment. Let me just first complete the code. Alright, so here we are going to invoke and then print response dot content. Oops, it's response. Alright, so what we have done is we have imported the chat OpenAI class from the Langchain underscore OpenAI package, and in this chat OpenAI class we have set our model that we are going to use, and we have set our API key, and most importantly we have also set our API base, which will be api.deepseek.com. alright, so we have set our chat OpenAI class as and declare it as LLM, and after that we have invoked this LLM with the user query, what is the capital of France, and we will get the response, and we are printing the content of that response. So if you want to know more about the chat OpenAI class, you can just go to the API reference of Langchain and just search about the chat OpenAI. And currently some classes have been deprecated, so if you go into this class it says that it is deprecated, but you can use the another class which is over here from version 0.2 at the time of creating this tutorial series, but it may change in the future, so make sure you're on the latest version and go through all of the documentation over here. Alright, so in this case let's just run over this code and see whether it is working, and boom, you get the response. You get the capital of France is Paris, and known for its rich history and blah blah blah. So congratulations guys, if you have managed to create a simple chat with the DeepSeek model. If not, please comment down below and I will try my best to answer your two queries. So in this tutorial we have created a simple code to chat with the DeepSeek model. In the next tutorial we will create a chain using Langchain where you can add your own prompts to these LLM models and have some more control over the output of the model. Alright guys, so I'm really excited about this tutorial series and I hope you are also. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and let's meet in the next video.